excited to drive this car after sitting for so long, a year and a half. Man, it's so good to just see this car running for sure. Hell yeah. But yeah, very excited to drive this car, get some air on it, put some miles on it. And I'm actually heading down to Waikoloa because my brother-in-law is graduating. They're having a ceremony down at the Hilton, so that'll be a nice cruise with the Evo with some AC on and hear the turbo noise. Let's go and drive the car, guys. Look at that beautiful little sunset here. Man, nothing really beats home here on the Big Island. Blast, baby. Good morning, guys. It is now Monday. It has been an amazing time. It just feels so good to just relax, lay back, spend some time with the family, and also enjoying driving the Evo again. It's been so freaking long, guys. It's just such an amazing feeling. Getting the car running, hearing the turbo noise, everything else is just falling into places. A couple of things we have to do on the Evo. I originally wanted to drive for 50 miles and do an oil change just to make sure there isn't anything weird happening in the engine. Of course, that we put some new rod bearings, piston ring sets. It's a used piston in there. That's pretty much about it. Just want to make sure there isn't anything weird, any materials. Maybe there is, but we got to do an oil change on the car. We have to flush the cooling system because it's just water in there, so of course we need to do proper cooling mixture in it. If I remember correctly, I think I forgot to put some couple hardwares on, like the timing cover, power steering hose bracket. There's another one. Just give the engine bay a nice cleanup one more time, and also look for leaks underneath of the engine because we resealed the oil pan, and just want to make sure there isn't any leaks. Of course, we need to get the car registered because it's expired, so I did a fail safety check already. We just got to go to the DMV, pay the extra fee, get the car registered, go back downtown, do a safety check, car will be legal. Yeah, it's pretty much about it. Just after we do all that, I want to continue on driving the car. Of course, we're going to put some new fresh fuel since the car is almost empty. So looking forward to have a nice day with this car. Hopefully nothing else give us any issues. So far it hasn't, so let's just keep it that way. It is a nice beautiful day here in the Big Island for the cold start for the boys. I just barely made it into town. I was so on the E. Thankfully we made it. This is the first fill up in a year and a half. Fresh 92 octane on the Evo. Oh my gosh. Dude. I'm leaking clutch fluid right now.
Hot.
Thank you, sir. I don't know. I don't know when it started leaking. I just hope it's not one problem after another.
I told you to sell them already.
No, I'm not gonna sell them. You want? Here, just stay here. We just top off the clutch. Now we need to figure out where the leak is coming from. At least it's not a mechanical issue like on the engine, so I'm happy about that. So we ended up replacing the clutch line right over here to the slave. That was leaking. Here's the old one. That's where all the fluids were going out, was coming out from here. So I went down to AutoZone and picked up a replacement line, and we bled it with my brother-in-law, and it feels a lot better now. No sign of any fluids leaking. Let's go ahead and do an oil change. Drain the water from the coolant system, put the proper mixture coolant, bleed it again, make sure there's no leaks from the oil pan area that we just did. Resealing the oil pan, and just look over the car, make sure everything else is good. And you're probably just wondering why the hood exit got a little short. I had to cut it off for a safety check, just because Hawaii doesn't want exhaust system coming out of the hood. So I saved the piece. I still have it over here, planning on re-welding it back because it looks so much nicer on it than just having it off. Looks weird. Plus, taking the hood exit out, it's a pain in the butt. All the hardware on the bottom is in a tight area, so there's no way for me to reach into it and get it all out. The whole turbo setup has to come out. It makes life easier that way, but I decided to just cut it, make it way faster than trying to take the whole thing out. So the last thing I want to do is to do a compression test. I'm really curious of cylinder 4 after we ball hole the cylinder walls for multiple times to get it the best cross pattern and also somewhat fix the cylinder head. So let's go ahead and pop the ignition coil off. 1, 2, 3 will be at 180 psi if I remember correctly from the last time I did compression test, was like a year and a half ago. Last time cylinder 4 was at 90 psi, and I'm curious to see what the number is like. I wouldn't be surprised if it's at 110 or something. .170 psi in cylinder 1. Let's go to the next one. About 165 in cylinder 2. What do you guys think? Let me know, drop me a number and see how much compression we get on cylinder 4. Wow, look at that. I gotta show this to Kat. What up?
Oh.
What you working on?
Make a mount tray, whatever you call it.
That looks good.
Get all those. So
Is that what, 3 pumps?
two pumps, and this is after pump filter that has 2 inlets and goes from 1 outlet to the motor.
That seems a lot. The more fuel, the more better, I guess.
More if you're gonna put bigger fuel, like race fuel. So, and or if I want to put one fuel in one tank and a different fuel in the other tank, I could.
Oh. Wow. That's awesome. Howdy, partner.
You ready?
Yeah. You want to take a look at it, or?
Yeah, clean the motherfucker up.
So it just kind of goes like this. Just like that. That's about it. Manageable? Okay. I'll bring the car in.
Yeah, I have to cool this bitch off because I need to rest my arms a little bit. Everything.
Long day? Somebody hurt himself? Me.
Fucking.
You freaking guy.
Yeah, so you remember.
So you want me to get one case of that and 1 case of Heineken?
Yeah, I'll put the auto on right now.
What the hell?
Yeah, this one.
Okay, I'll make sure I remember if I actually look back into this video. Benny, that looks really good. What you mean? Hey, it looks good. It's like it never happened. What do you mean? I go look close. Oh, that looks good. Mean. Hey, nobody go tell. No.
Good from far from good, but
You think I can have your signature on top there? PB? No, not yet. Hey, it looks good. I'm happy. Damn. Look at that weld. Bending build, back half, baby. Huge shout out to my friends for getting that taken care of. I'll probably go ahead and do the injector flow sometimes next week. Things are getting real busy for the weekend because we're having the Island meet. So if you guys are watching this video, it'll probably be right after that. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Car is running amazing as always. No issue, like I said. No check engine light, no smoke, no leaks, none of that stuff. I put about at least 300 miles on the car. It's just running like a dream. Very excited. I'm gonna be driving this car until I go back to Las Vegas. Hello guys, I'll see you guys on the next one.